Hey everyone, and welcome back for another deep dive. You know how this works.
Yeah.
We take some fascinating source material and
Yeah.
dig out all the most interesting parts.
Absolutely.
And today, we are going to a very specific location
Okay.
in our solar system.
Nice.
Someplace that's just epic in scale.
Yeah.
It might just change the way you think about volcanoes.
I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. All right. We are heading to Mars to explore Olympus Mons,
Olympus Mons.
the tallest volcano in our solar system.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty impressive.
It really is. And when we say tall, we mean tall.
Yeah.
This is not just some little hill on the Martian landscape. Olympus Mons is a staggering 21 kilometers high,
21 kilometers.
which makes it about 3 times taller than Mount Everest.
3 times taller.
I mean, can you even imagine?
It's hard to even fathom.
I'm really trying to wrap my head around that.
Yeah.
So okay, let's say I was standing at the base of Olympus Mons.
Okay.
What would I see?
Well, you would need to look up, obviously.
Yeah.
21 kilometers is pretty high. But seriously, what you'd see is a volcano so wide, it would practically cover the entire state of Arizona.
What?
Yeah, it's massive. The slopes would rise gradually,
Okay.
stretching out for hundreds of kilometers,
Wow.
with a summit caldera. So large you could fit several cities inside it.
So it's not just tall, it's also incredibly wide.
Exactly. It's like a giant shield lying on the surface of Mars.
I mean, that's just incredible. What I find really interesting is how such a massive volcano could even form.
Yeah.
I mean, does Mars have some kind of superpowered volcanic activity?
That's a great question. And the answer lies in the unique geology of Mars.
Okay.
Unlike Earth, which has moving tectonic plates,
Right.
Mars has a relatively static crust. This means that volcanic hotspots stay in the same place for a very, very long time.
Oh, I see.
And lava just keeps building up over millions, even billions of years. And that's how you get these colossal formations.
So because the crust doesn't move around,
Yeah.
the hotspots just stay put and they just keep spewing out lava.
Exactly. It's like a continuous eruption over eons.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So if Olympus Mons has been erupting for millions of years, does that mean it's still active today?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Scientists are still trying to figure that out.
Okay.
While Olympus Mons is considered dormant for now, there's evidence of some relatively recent volcanic activity,
Oh.
geologically speaking, of course. So we're talking thousands or millions of years ago, not like last week.
Right, of course.
But this evidence does raise the exciting possibility that Olympus Mons could still be active deep beneath the surface.
Wow.
It might just be taking a very long nap.
That is mind-blowing. And it makes you realize how different planets can evolve based on just their, the way that they're structured.
Absolutely. The geology of a planet really shapes its entire destiny.
It really does. And this whole idea of, volcanoes and how they form, it makes me think we know volcanic activity creates environments where life can actually thrive, even in like the most extreme conditions.
Yeah, that's true. You find life around hydrothermal vents on Earth in conditions that would be lethal to most other organisms.
Right. So does the presence of Olympus Mons and its history of volcanic activity. Does that tell us anything about the potential for life on Mars?
You've hit on a crucial point. The history of volcanic activity on Mars, especially on a scale like Olympus Mons, is a significant factor in the search for life. Volcanic regions can provide heat energy and chemical compounds that could support microbial life, even if conditions on the surface are harsh.
So while Olympus Mons may seem like this desolate, gigantic mountain, it could actually hold clues to the biggest mystery of all. Did life ever exist on Mars?
Exactly. The potential for past life or even present-day microbial life hidden deep beneath the surface is a tantalizing prospect. And that makes Olympus Mons not just a geological wonder, but a beacon of hope in our quest to discover life beyond Earth.
What an incredible journey. It makes you realize that even seemingly barren landscapes can hold these incredible secrets.
Yeah, and it reminds us that exploration is about more than just mapping the surface. It's about peering into the past, understanding the forces that shape planets, and considering the potential for life in the most unexpected places. Who knows what other secrets Olympus Mons, this sleeping giant, might hold?
Yeah, who knows? It's amazing. What a great deep dive.
It really is.
I'm so glad we got to explore that together.
Me too.
And thanks to everyone for listening. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.